Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Google Gemini not generating image or Google Gemini photo or image making problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Long press or long tap in Google Gemini app. Go to Apps Info or I button. Click on Storage. Click on Clear All Data. Tap on Clear All Data. Go back. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Google Gemini app. Update your Google Gemini app latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your Google Gemini app. Click on Create Image. Click on Create Image. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Gemini not generating image or Google Gemini photo or image making problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.